Harry.
I'm a what?
Harry, you're a wizard.
I'm a what?
A wizard. Harry.
I'm a wizard.
Yes, Harry, you're a wizard.
But I'm just Harry.
Well, just Harry, you're a wizard.
But I'm just Harry.
No, just Harry, you're a wizard.
Listen here, Hagrid, I'm just Harry.
No, Harry, you are a wizard.
I'm not a wizard. Hagrid, I'm just Harry.
Listen, Harry, you're a wizard.
No, Hagrid, I'm just Harry.
Harry, for God's sake, you're a wizard.
A wizard? I'm just Harry.
No, just Harry, you're a wizard.
I'm not a wizard. Hagrid, I'm just Harry.
No, just Harry, you are a wizard.
I'm not a wizard. Hagrid.
Harry, you are a wizard.
Listen here, Hagrid, you fat oaf. I'm not a fucking wizard.
For God's sake, Harry, what is with this language? You're a fucking wizard.
I don't give a fuck, you fat, hairy bastard! I'm not a fucking wizard!
Listen, Harry, you're going to go to Hogwarts and do spells and shit, and you're gonna be fucking pleased about it.
I don't want to do your fucking spells, you basket case! Stick it up your fucking dick hole!
My fucking what?
Hagrid, you're pushing me over the fucking line!
No, I'm not! You are a wizard! You're gonna go to Hogwarts, you're gonna do spells, you get a wand, you get a fucking owl, it'll deliver your mail. Deal with it, you twat!
I'm gonna fucking put my dick in the owl!
I done that when I was younger, and that was a bad move. You are a wizard!
I'm a what?
You're a wizard! Harry, for fuck's sake, listen to me!
Hagrid, I've been through this. I don't give a bloody fuck what you think.
This is not negotiable. You come with me, you specky bull haircut fuck, small dick, skinny cunt, eat more wanger.
I'll fucking set your beard on fire.
More than you little specky cunt, square to go like.
I'll fucking burst you.
Right, you little wank stain. If you don't get your act together, I'm gonna drag you to Hogwarts. You'll get a wand, you'll get an owl that'll deliver you a shitey mail, and that'll be that, and you'll enjoy it, you chinky.
I'll fucking gnaw your arm off, Hagrid.
Listen, you, get near my arm and I'll slap you across the face like a little bitch.
I'll pump you silly.
Come on then, you cunt.
Suck my pixie dick, you chubby coon!
I'll rupture your fucking anus with my massive bear cock!
I'll rip your giant dick off and bash you across the jaw with it!
Let's go right now! Bring it on, you little...